As India was confronting its second wave, crowds gathered to celebrate Kumbh Mela festival, which is when millions of Hindus bathe in India's sacred Ganges and Yamuna rivers. The state government has been criticized for letting it go ahead amid rising COVID cases. With cases hitting record daily levels, hospitals across India have been running out of beds and oxygen, with some forced to put up signs warning of a lack of supplies. To try and tackle the shortage of beds, Indian authorities are turning to train carriages. This is one of 4,000 railway coaches which were adapted into isolation wards last year, but are now being used for the first time. Mass burials and cremations are taking place. A number of places have even said they are running low on wood for pyres. Despite the crisis, people in the state of West Bengal have voted in the final phase of elections. Long queues were seen outside polling booths, raising fears about the virus spreading even more.